Aquaponics, or how I like to call it, how fish poop can save the world. Imagine a garden where fish and plants help each other grow in a perfect balance of nature. What you're imagining is aquaponics. These are small ecosystems between fish and plants that everybody can build in their house. Aquaponics has been practiced as far back as 1100 AD by the Aztecs. They had a different approach that was more basic, similar how some Indonesian farmers grow rice. And research into aquaponics began in the 1970s, and in the early 2000s, large commercial aquaponics operations began. They had a different approach. They have them separated, the fish in a tank and the plants floating on top of the water. Quest. Quest is about doing something that you like, that you're passionate about, or something new that you're trying to try out. And what I always liked was building stuff with my own hands, and I always was fascinated by new invention or technology. And then below I heard this, she told me about the aquaponics project here in Green School. And that's how I turned my passions into an aquaponics project. And then Ibu Puti first took me down to the aquaponics. I thought, oh no, this is going to be more than we expected. Then I met Pakadek Antera, the head of the Green School maintenance team, and in term form, I started cleaning the entire aquaponics area, removing debris to ensure a tidy environment. And then next, I focused on the water system, repairing and adjusting it to ensure smooth continuous flow, which is crucial for both the health of the plant and the fish. Finally, I restocked the system with new fish and plants, reviving the ecosystem, and setting up for sustainable growth and learning. Now I want to go over some pictures from the before, it was overgrown, and the after. And sad you can see the fish because they are under the plates of the bamboo. But if you go down, you can look through the glass and see the fish. Aquaponics is great because it has tons of advantages. First, it's eco-friendly since the fish waste naturally fertilizes the plants, so you don't need any chemicals, of which the most are harmful to us humans and the environment, killing about 18,000 people a year, and that's only the USA. The plants in turn clean the water for the fish, making a perfect little ecosystem. It also saves a ton of water compared to traditional farming, being up to 90% more efficient in water use, and lets you grow food all around the year in a closed system. Aquaponics can also use less space because you can build upwards. That means that you could reduce transportation footprints because supermarkets could grow their own food. Plus, it's a hands-on way to learn about biology and sustainability while enjoying fresh veggies and fish right at the side. It's a win-win for the environment and for us. Aquaponics, while innovative and sustainable, faces several significant challenges. One of the main difficulties is maintaining the delicate balance between fish and plant life, as change in water quality, temperature, and pH level can affect both. Initial setup costs can be high due to the need of specialized equipment and infrastructure. Additional managing pests and diseases in a closed-loop system requires careful monitoring and sometimes complex intervention. There are also steep learning curves for operators requiring knowledge in both aquaculture and hydroponics. Finally, scalability can be a problem, as larger systems need resources and equipment that are expensive, which can limit the widespread adoption. Despite these challenges, aquaponics offers promising and eco-friendly approach to food production and contribute to a sustainable agriculture. In this project, I learned so much about science, sustainability, and teamwork. I discovered how fish and plants can grow together in a balanced system, which helped me understand biology and ecology better. I also learned about water conservation and how to grow food in an environment-friendly way. Cleaning and maintaining the aquaponics system taught me practical skills like cooperation. Plus, I worked together to restore the system. As we all work together to restore the system, I also developed my communication skills when working together with the Green School maintenance team. A major thing that I will carry with me as I get older is that I should never underestimate myself because I can make a change. At last, I want to thank you for the people who helped me through my quest. Ibo Laura and Ibo Prushi helped me get my project started. Pakadek and Terra and the Green School maintenance team and my parents for helping me at the aquaponics area. And for the quest teachers and Paxel for helping with my speech. Thank you.